Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 6, 2024, and we're diving into Teva's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Teva has reported strong financial results for Q3 2024, driven by their generics performance and innovative portfolio growth. They've also raised their financial outlook for the year, which is quite promising.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Teva reported revenues of $4.3 billion for Q3 2024, marking a 13% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Teva's revenue growth is primarily driven by their generics business, which saw a 30% increase in the U.S. Additionally, their innovative products like Austedo and Ajovy have shown significant growth, with Austedo's U.S. revenues up by 28%.
Despite the revenue growth, Teva reported a GAAP loss per share of 39 cents. Can you explain this discrepancy?
The GAAP loss is mainly due to a goodwill impairment charge and higher legal settlements. However, on a non-GAAP basis, which excludes these items, Teva reported an EPS of 69 cents, reflecting their strong operational performance.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Teva's gross profit increased to $2.148 billion with a margin of 49.6%. How has Teva managed to improve its profitability?
The improvement in gross profit and margin is largely due to a favorable product mix, particularly from Austedo, and operational efficiencies. Their adjusted EBITDA also saw a 17% increase, reaching $1.327 billion.
Looking ahead, Teva has raised its full-year revenue outlook to between $16.1 and $16.5 billion. What factors are contributing to this optimistic guidance?
Teva's confidence in raising their outlook stems from the continued momentum in their generics and innovative products, as well as the progress in their late-stage pipeline. Their strategic initiatives under the Pivot to Growth strategy are also playing a crucial role.
Innovative portfolio and strategic initiatives. Teva's innovative portfolio seems to be a significant growth driver. Can you elaborate on the performance of key products like Austedo and Ajovy?
Absolutely. Austedo continues to perform well with $435 million in U.S. revenues, and Ajovy's global revenues increased by 21%. Uzedy is also gaining traction, with its revenue outlook raised to $100 million for 2024.
What about their pipeline? Are there any upcoming developments we should be aware of?
Teva's pipeline is progressing well. They expect top-line results for Duvakitug, an anti-TL1A drug, in Q4 2024. This, along with their biosimilar candidate to Prolia, positions them well for future growth.
Risks and challenges. Despite the positive outlook, Teva faces some challenges. They reported an operating loss of $51 million. What are the main factors contributing to this?
The operating loss is primarily due to a goodwill impairment charge and significant legal settlements, including a $450 million provision related to antitrust investigations. Additionally, exchange rate fluctuations negatively impacted their results by $88 million.
Teva's debt remains high at $18.98 billion. How does this impact their financial health and future strategy?
High debt levels can limit financial flexibility, but Teva is actively managing it through strategic divestitures and focusing on cash flow improvement. Their free cash flow generation of $922 million in Q3 is a positive sign.
Key takeaways. In summary, Teva has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2024, with impressive revenue growth and a robust outlook for the year. Despite some challenges, their strategic initiatives and innovative portfolio position them well for future growth.
Indeed, Teva's focus on their Pivot to Growth strategy and pipeline advancements are key to their continued success. Investors should keep an eye on their debt management and legal challenges, but overall, the prospects look promising.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Teva's performance in the comments below.